Hi guys, Lucas here from GT Tying, and today I'm going to show you through the range of Ifor Williams Unbraked trailers. Starting here with the smallest in the range. This can be used for many different applications, light domestic work, clearing a garage or garden, or potentially if you're looking to take goods away on your holiday. A number of different optional extras available for this particular trailer is the GRP hardtop lockable lid that will increase the internal capacity, as well as offering a little bit of extra security for your goods inside the trailer and keeping it all away from the weather. The same trailer, but set up slightly differently with a full extended mesh side kit and a full width ramp at the rear to allow easy loading if you have maybe a small lawn mower or a small tractor that you drive up and in out of the trailer. The next size up is the P6 and the P7E trailer. We move from our 5 foot to our 6 foot and our 7 foot models. This can be used again for many different applications, both commercially or light domestic work. Again, featuring a full width rear ramp so you can walk in and out of the trailer. And this particular model has the ladder rack so that you can lean things up against the trailer to prevent any overhang on the front or the rear. As we move to the 6, 7 and 8 foot models, you'll have a number of different options on your wheel and tyre. On this one, you'll notice the wider Flotation wheel and tyre. Although perfectly adequate for on-road use, if ever there was the intention on driving it onto your or a customer's lawn, this will prevent leaving any tracks in the soft ground. Illustrated here is the larger but narrower 13-inch wheel. This will rotate slightly slower, so for your on-road and long mileage, this trailer is perfect for that application. The 8 foot range is not only available in those two options of wheel and tyre, as demonstrated here, the on and off road or just on road tyre, but also has the ability to tick the box for the extended ramp. This is going to give you a much better gradient when loading up from the rear of the vehicle. So if your ATV, your tractor or ride-on lawnmower has slightly low ground clearance, this will help lower the gradient and make it easier to load and unload your machine. Mesh sides are available on any of these models of trailer, again increasing the capacity of the internal load on your trailer. And we can also provide you with a canvas cover to drop down past the mesh to keep your goods hidden away and away from the weather.